button isn't paradise. I've been missing paying attention. You don't listen. You've been getting, you've been spending all your time on their life.
Hello, so you guys wanted a room tour, but honestly the room tour would literally just be 10 seconds if I wasn't going into insane detail about every single little thing, like where my secret stash of stuffed animals are, or if I have shoes in my closet as an Asian, because I shouldn't be doing that as an Asian. Why would you wear shoes in the household, you know? But since you guys wanted a room tour, here is the overview of my room, and this is how it starts. But just a disclaimer, no, my speaker just spoke to me, and I think it is a predicament. Ready to pair, ready to. I think it's trying to tell me something. It's like ready to pair, like I guess I'm ready to pair. Just saying, I've literally filmed this like 3 times, and at one point I even started giggling. That's what being a TikTok star is all about. Like, I was like, who says he in real life? Like, I don't think people use he in everyday language, but what has YouTube turned me into? Let's continue with this aesthetic room tour, because you know, you people only like aesthetic bedrooms. Actually, I am one of those people, but it's okay. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. So here is what my room looks. You're blocking me and my beautiful existence. Okay, so when you walk into my room, the first thing you see is this obnoxious door. It's not even, I'm sorry I hurt your feelings.
It's an obnoxious story to show how much money we have because of my daddy's money. I don't know what is going on with me today. I feel very. I just had 4 cups of coffee and I feel bad.
I have a fingerprint lock. Now my stepbro and I are doing it in the bedroom. My wonderful collection of Pinterest jewelry. Because I want to become a mood board. I want to embody somebody's mood board. So, I don't know how to do this. Here is my perfume collection. Coming up, we have my makeup collection to fulfill the inner beauty guru in me, because you know, I'm totally a beauty guru. I can totally do makeup looks without failing a million times and taking 1,000 hours to even create this look, because you know, I am a model. But above here I have my makeup stash. A ton of makeup that I bought in freshman year, because at the time I couldn't even do my eyebrows, but for some reason I thought I was so good at makeup that I would want to purchase every single thing in Sephora. Next, that's my camera. I have my camera up there. I have more makeup, foundation stuff, because you know, I clearly need that to cover up my mistakes in my life. And also I have an addiction to popping my own pimples. Josiah and I do it, and we just pop each other's pimples because we just find that like cute couples activities, you know. Next, I have my eye makeup stuff and lip gloss, blush, and everything. But at the end, I stopped using blush because I don't even use blush anymore, because I realized how annoying it is when you could literally just use lipstick and then smudge it and be lazy like that. And yes, I do have a pair of lashes there. I should really draw a face so every single time I could just put my lashes there without losing them, because sometimes I find them inside my hair while I'm conditioning my hair and actually combing my hair for the one time throughout the month, and I'm like, why is there a bunch of hair inside my hair, but it's sticky, and then I pull it out and it turns out to be a glob of fake lashes. You know, do be like that sometimes. Cute girly things. Next, we have the most amazing thing of them all, my mirror, to fulfill how self-absorbed I am in my everyday life. Yes, that is my mirror. That is what it does for me, you know, do be like that. Okay, now we're at my desk. Now you're looking at me from my desk, and here's the corner in my room that is the prettiest, but I can never take photos in because the lighting sucks shit. Here's one of my favorite stuffed animals. It's Pikachu. The entirety of this bottom area is our coats, and on this area I have more storage, which I will show you later. But shut up. Shh. No. Shh. Oh, it worked. Okay. So here I have my paint wall. I never even paint anymore. I don't even draw, and at one point I was like, I want to be an art major, and then I realized the emotional sacrifice you would have to have for that, because every single second of your life you're just thinking about how you can make something more perfect. So I always paint with my friends now because we can't go outside, so they just come over and we paint together. And these are some things that I've painted, but I don't really like them, especially like the green one or like the flowers. The only thing I kind of like are the sky tiles and the lip one, but I'm literally just copying pages off of Pinterest so that I can again become a Pinterest girl. So that I can have pretty pictures, but I would like to have more meaning, so I don't just like print it out, because I like to listen to vinyls because I think it gives it more of a like, you know, like a feeling. Actually, no, I don't listen to vinyls. Don't listen to that. That is a false statement. But yes, that is what it looks like from this angle. And most of the time when I film TikToks, I film it from this way, like straight. So coming over, even though this is a room tour, I was still too lazy to clean my room for it. We have my closet. This closet is probably the epitome of my existence because I don't know what I would do without clothing. I think I find a material obsession so that I can just, you know, dwell on that instead of my emotional trauma. Here's my closet. It's a closet reveal. So I got these things from IKEA because I don't have enough space, and I really don't know how to like stack things properly, because there's been multiple times where shit just like falls out and like lands on my head, and I swear I'm gonna get a concussion from my closet because the thing. I watched. Starting from here, you see a little penguin that Anne got me because Mr. Penguin here is an alcoholic, so I kept him inside the closet. My big pants collection right here, because you know I want to be an alt girl so bad, but I can never, like that eyeliner thing does not work on me. My hooded eyes are crying. Here is my shorts and my skinny jeans, because you know we're going back to 2017 Fashion Nova. I have my hoodies and hoodies because I only wear hoodies in winter. Since I am a disciple of Marie Kondo, because she is the only influencer that clearly influences me, the only way I like to organize my closet is through the Marie Kondo style, even though I have too much stuff so it doesn't really fit minimalism, but let's just go with it. As you can see, here is a closer look of everything that's in here. I have my prom dresses and long dresses that I just never wear over there, and I have a memory box of like letters and stuff that people ever gave me, or like birthday cards and stuff, like memories. And my sheets. I have more bags up there because I have a bag obsession. And then my like random like sunglasses stuff are here. Hoodies are also in there. I have a ton of hoodies. It's an issue. I have my necklace collection here. Okay, so now we're going into my little cabinets here. Over here I have my skirt collection, and honestly I think it is an issue as to how many skirts I own. Next, over here I have my color coordinated tank top series. I have a shopping obsession where I just buy too many tank tops in the different colors, but they're the same thing. So then I end up having this many, and it's genuinely an issue because this is not including my white tank tops. The next drawer over, I have a meeting your boyfriend package because most of them are in dress code, and it is approved by my Christian school to be wearing these things. One thing I hate about my room is the fact that my windows are like green tinted, so it makes everything green here. But over here I have my flower garlands, and I have these like colored lights installed inside my ceiling that my mom already designed. And yes, she did design this whole room for me. Here's my view from my room, and I think that's like the best part of my room.
Take a step back before you get too far. Looking at life like it's gon' get hard. Looking at life like you won't get far. Looking at life through some window bars. Looking at life, looking at life. Yeah, I'm looking at life. Looking at life, looking at life. Take a step back.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and please tune in for my next week's video. But I'm gonna try to be less cringy from now because I realized how bad my videos were, and I'm gonna try to be more entertaining because I think that's what YouTubers are supposed to do. But I'll see you later. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please comment like video ideas because I don't know what to make next. Bye.
What a wonderful